Hello folks! Welcome to the channel. Today, let's share a recipe of an apple pie. Let's start by crushing the cornstarch. It could be biscuit or Maria biscuit as an alternative. Crush them until it turns into a fine powder. Then, after the biscuits become powdery, add the butter. The idea is to mix pretty well these ingredients until it becomes a paste. It needs to be kind of firm, but for it, the butter cannot be too hard, but also cannot be too melted. A natural temperature is good. Grease the pan with butter and flour. Now, it's time to put the crust into the pan. It is like modeling clay. You shape it by pressing well the crust. It needs to be really compacted. Make sure the crust has the same thickness in every part. We don't want to do it too thin, cause it would break easily. Let's make the apples cream. This pie has two creams, the topping cream and the cream that goes inside. Let's peel the apple and cut it into tiny pieces. Since the cream will be cooked, to make it easier, I blended the apples. So, let's cook the cream. In a pan, I cooked the apples with sugar and lemon. It will produce a lot of juice, so keep it on fire until it dries out. After it gets dry, take out from the fire and let it cool down. So we're gonna go to the topping cream. Let's cook the egg yolk, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. When it is well mixed, turn off the heat and add the cream. Confessing moment, the heavy cream was forgotten, and it altered a bit the texture and color. Well, it got delicious anyway. In this part of the process, always keep stirring the cream because it lumps very easily. Now, let's fill the pie with the cream. But before that, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius degrees. I love cinnamon, so I spreaded some on it. After you fill the pie with the cream, cover it with the topping cream. Spread the topping carefully and then finish the edge of the crust so it's nice and even. To finish the topping, I decorated with some apple slices and cinnamon again. Let's bake it for 20 minutes. It's done. Take it out from the oven and let it cool down. It's delicious, cold or warm. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you try it, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.